Here are 3 must-know grammar points that you can use right away in your daily conversation. You just have to recite all the examples and you'll be using them before you know it.
Example 1.
Since we've started using the smartphone, it's easy to get in touch with anyone. Recently, I was able to reconnect with an old high school friend. I can't believe how convenient everything is now.
Example 2.
Since I started using the new app, it's easy to keep track of my health. Recently, I've been able to lose 2 kilograms. I can't believe how quickly I lost weight.
Example 3.
It was really hard to find the office. As a result, I wasn't able to make it to my interview on time. I couldn't believe I was late for such an important day.
Were you able to read along? Now let's see if you can repeat it just by hearing the sentence once. We're first going to practice it's easy to and it's hard to. Now these phrases are perfect for talking about things we find simple or challenging. Okay, now listen carefully and see if you can repeat it. It's easy to learn a new language when you practice a little every day. Your turn. Let's check what you said. It's easy to learn a new language when you practice a little every day. Present simple. Okay, here's the next one. Listen carefully. It's been hard to keep in touch with everyone since moving abroad. Your turn. Okay. I said, it's been hard to keep in touch with everyone since moving abroad. Present perfect. Okay, here's the next one. It'll be easy to find our house. It's right next to the park. Your turn. It'll be easy to find our house. It's right next to the park. Future simple. Okay, one more. It's hard not to eat sweets when they're right in front of you. Your turn. It's hard not to eat sweets when they're right in front of you. Present simple. Next grammar point is be able to. Be able to is used to express the ability to do something. It's similar to can, but it's more useful because you can use it in different tenses, or with other verbs, or in gerund form. Let's see if you can repeat this. I was able to finish my work on time. Your turn. I was able to finish my work on time. Past simple. Next. I'll be able to join you tomorrow. Your turn. I'll be able to join you tomorrow. Future simple. Next. I want to be able to speak English fluently. Your turn. I want to be able to speak English fluently. Be able to is used after want to. Next, being able to drive makes life more convenient. Your turn. Being able to drive makes life more convenient. Be able to is used as a gerund in a subject. Okay, the last grammar point is I can't believe. The phrase I can't believe is used in English to express surprise, shock, or disbelief. It's often followed by WH forms and complete sentences. Okay, now repeat after me. I can't believe you ate the whole thing. Your turn. I can't believe you ate the whole thing. I can't believe is followed by a complete sentence. Next. I can't believe how quickly the children have grown up. Your turn. I can't believe how quickly the children have grown up. I can't believe is followed by a WH phrase. Next. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Your turn. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I can't believe is followed by a WH phrase. Okay, good job, guys. You learned 3 really good grammar points. Now, what you should do is try to make your own story using the 3 grammar points. Try writing them down in a notebook and practice saying them. Then you'll really master them. Alright, good luck! If you like this content, please make sure to subscribe, and I'd appreciate it if you push that like button.